In this video, we will learn how to use the read loud feature in Chatgpt. So let's start. I open here Chatgpt and here you can ask any question to Chatgpt. So I enter here the simple question, what is Excel? Okay. And wait for the few seconds, is answer your is ready. So here answer is going to complete, and it's done. Okay, if you found this conversation helpful, just click on the help like button, and if you found this not helpful, just click on the bad response. You can enter the bad response, you can enter the just click on the good response. See the answer. The Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft, widely used for organizing, analyzing, and manipulating the data. It is a part of the Microsoft Office suite for application. Excel allows user to create the tables of the data organized in the rows and columns. So these are the answer is available. With the key feature of the Excel includes also it's a clear and properly answered by Chatgpt. And if you want to read loud, just click on this read loud option and wait.
Excel is a spreadsheet software developed by Microsoft, widely used for organizing, analyzing, and manipulating data. It is part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. Excel allows users
If you want to stop,
tables of data
just click
organized in
again
rows and columns.
stop. So this is a way you can on the read loud option. Okay, and if you want to change the voice of this person, you can it. So just click on this your profile, and here you can see the option settings, and in settings dialog box just click on the speech option, and here have a voice option. Just click on this drop down arrow, and here total 4 voice available. So my selected voice is 4 number. I select this one and just click on the play.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
See, as I click on the third one and click on the
I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first,
see. So you can choose the voice those you want. So I select the second one and click on the
there. I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up.
and just click on the stop and close it. This voice set here, this person voice set here. When I close it and I click on again the read loud,
Excel is a spreadsheet software developed
the
by
voice is
Microsoft,
changed.
widely used for organizing, analyzing, and manipulating
To stop
data.
it, just
It is
close
part
it.
of the Microsoft
Just click on
Office
the
suite of
stop option. So this is a way you can use the read loud feature in Chatgpt. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.